Hey, what's up? It's Paul from Guitar World, and today we're going to be checking out EarthQuaker's most popular and sonically beautiful pedal, the Avalanche Run. Let's check it out. Whether you love ambient reverb or delay, the EarthQuaker device's Avalanche Run has got you covered. With amazing versatility, having a tap tempo control and flexibility with the built-in expression pedal jack and the ability to set your expression pedal for a reverb, delay, or both, and any number in between. And 2 seconds of delay, self-oscillation, any particular sound of reverb and delay, and any way to shape shift it, it's all here. Definitely check it out.